front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then tap on Most Recent and select the best option for you, like Most Frequent. Lastly, tap on any of your apps from which you want to disable notifications, like App Gallery, and click on this switcher next to Allow Notifications. This way, you will turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!